I don't have any preparation, just I wanna talk with you guys. Thank you. Amazing. Oh, really? Sorry guys, I forgot it. Yeah. I want to write down my name. My first name is Cetin. I'm from Turkey. Because of it's too hard to reading Cetin in Indonesian language, I changed it because of I'm an English teacher, Mr. Justin. Okay. Just call me. Wait on if you will meet with me. Hello, Mr. Justin. I live in Indonesia for 1 year in Aceh. Yeah, I got married from Indonesia. My wife from Tasikmalaya. I have 3 sons. One of them 5 grades, 3rd grade, and 2 grades. Because of that, I'm probably. Okay, what about you? Yes. How many hours you are reading a book? 1 hour. One day. Every day you read a book 1 hour. But is it real? You're not kidding me, right? In our school, maybe Fatih students, they don't really focus about that one. Why? Because if you don't have a practice, your English cannot improve. How can you improve English? The best way. There is only one way, practicing. Because what did I say at the beginning of the lesson? English is your mother language. No, and you don't need to think about that. I have to. Did I make mistakes? And is it not normal? Something like that. No need to think about that. Just try to talk with the correct grammar, with the wrong grammar. It doesn't matter. Okay, because of you are in English classes with your friends, you are talking in English or not. It's not sometimes. You have to do it every time. When you come to this class, enter this class, you forget Bahasa Indonesia. Forget it. Just practicing. Hello, Asma. Asma answering that one is explaining about daily lives, previous days, today's. It's a very good option to practicing your English. Okay, this is very important in the lesson. If you don't have this kind of points, I mean this kind of method, you cannot improve your English.